Hello students, today we are going to start a new exercise, that is exercise 6.2. But before that, let us know some definitions. Okay, so the first one is algebraic expression. So in the last class we have studied about constant and variables, right? So now let us study about algebraic expression. A combination of constants and variables connected by signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called an algebraic expression. Okay, you can see the example 4x plus 5y plus 6. So here we have combination of constant and variables, right? So here x and y are the variables, and then the numbers, this 4, 5 and 6, they are constant, and we have sign here plus. It can be minus also, or maybe multiplication, like we might have like this 4xy. Here also it is multiplied 4 into x, right? So it can be any term, either it can be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So if you find like this, then this is called an algebraic expression, okay, with the combination of constant and variables. Now next, terms. The parts of an algebraic expression which are separated by the signs plus or minus are called terms. So let us see an example. Okay, 4x square plus 5x minus 3. So this is an algebraic expression. Now here we have three terms. Okay, so when we talk about terms, we have to take it separately. Okay, so here we have three terms, 1, 2, 3. So the first term is 4x square. Okay, second term is 5x, and the third term is minus 3. We have to see the sign also. Okay, if it is plus, you don't need to write plus, but if it is minus, we have to write the minus sign also. Okay, so they are called terms. Now next is monomials. So the algebraic expressions which contains only one term are called monomials. You see example 4x, 3x square, 2xy. So here in this expression we have only one term, right? 4x. But here you see, here how many terms we have? 1, 2, 3, right? So if there is only one term in the algebraic expression, then we say that it is a monomial. For example, this 4x, 3x square, 2xy, they have only one term, so they are called monomials. Next is binomials. The algebraic expressions which contains only two terms are called binomials. You can see example 4x plus 2. So here we have two terms, 1, 2. Okay. Next one, 6x square minus 5. Here also we have two terms. Then y square plus 2xy. So if the algebraic expression has two terms, then it is called binomials. Then the third one is trinomials. The algebraic expressions which contains only three terms are called trinomials. For example, 4x plus 5xy plus 6. So here in this algebraic expression we have three terms, right? 1, 2, 3. Similarly, this example 3x square minus 2xy minus 5. We have three terms. And then this example 4x plus 6xy minus 2. We have three terms. So if you find an expression which contains three terms, then you can say that it is a trinomial. The next is factors. When two or more numbers and literals are multiplied, then each one of them is called a factor of the product. For example, you see this 4ab, 4 into a into b. Here we have one number, right? And this a and b, they are called literals. Okay, we have studied in variables, so they are called literals, and this is the number. So when two or more numbers and literals, so here we have only one number, it's okay, it can be 1 or 2 also, no problem. And a into b, we have two literals here, right? So if you multiply 4 into a into b, you will get 4ab. So here 4 a and b, they are the factors of 4ab. Okay, and 4 is called the numerical factor because it is a number, and this a and b, they are called literal factors of 4ab. Okay, that means the variables, so they are also known as literals. Now next is coefficient. So in a term of an algebraic expression, any of the factors, okay, with the sign of the term is called the coefficient of the product of the other factors. So let us understand this by an example. So I have taken an example of a monomial. Okay, monomial means which has only one term, say 5xy. So here in this expression, the coefficient of y, okay, the coefficient of y is 5x. For example, if you take y, then what are the numbers or factors that are multiplied with y, it is 5x, right? So that this 5x is called coefficient of y. Similarly, if you want to find the coefficient of x, then you have to see what are the factors of x. That means what is multiplied with x, 5 and y, right? So that means the coefficient of x is 5y. And then if you want to find the coefficient of xy, you have to check what is multiplied with xy, 5. So that means the coefficient of xy is 5. Okay. Next we have like terms. So when the terms have the same literal factors, they are called like terms. So as you can see in the example, 4xy, 10xy, xy. So here you see the literal terms. You don't need to see the number. It can be any number. Okay, the numbers might differ, but you have to see the literal factors. Okay, that is xy. Here you have xy. Here also you have xy. Here also have xy. So all are same. So if all the literal factors are same, then you can say that they are like terms. Similarly, you see here in the second example, x square y. Here also you have minus 5x square y. Just see the literal terms. Okay, minus x square y, 5x square y, and here also you have x square y. So all the literal factors are same, right? So they are like terms. Then the last is unlike terms. So when the terms do not have the same literal factors, they are called unlike terms. You can see in the example 6xy, 5x, 4x. So here the literal terms are different, right? In the first one you have xy, here you have only x, then you have xz. So all are different, so they are unlike terms. In the second example also we have x square y, then you have xy square, xyz. All the literal factors are different, so they are called unlike terms. Okay.